Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT R19, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. Now to get started, you will want to hold power key and from there select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now if I remember correctly, on this device, once you see the CUBOT logo, you want to immediately let go of the power key. So let's do that right now. Power volume up. Okay, and there we go. As you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. Now in this mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the visible options, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. That being said, from here we can reboot the device, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe data or wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. And like I mentioned before, whatever is selected, you then confirm with power key. Now because I want to leave this mode, I'm sticking with reboot system now. I'll confirm that, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, there it is. I'm back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.